Yo, what is up, gamers? How long's it been? Like a year and a half? Jesus. Anyways, yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna be playing one of my favorite games, Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. It has been a long time since I've played this. It's been a long time since I've recorded. And there won't be an upload schedule for this because this is a dead channel. But I'm uploading it, and I'm gonna have a good time because I'm bored and want to make YouTube videos again. So, let's get into this. I have completely forgotten how to record, by the way. This was all thrown together very last minute. I would act like I didn't know this was gonna happen, but I have played the game before. So I kind of knew that this was gonna happen. Anyways, yeah, Cacaletta, Thoughtful, take voice, go Mario naked.
Emergency situation!
Yeah, that's gonna kill my voice.
Did you see the Kingdom Courier?
I wonder if that's making my mic peak.
Mario!
Oh, we gotta zoom now. This is maximum toad speed, maximum velocity.
I hear humming! Eek!
It's a good thing there's not more toads in this game. That is genuinely killing my voice. He's dead.
Princess! Peach!
I'm only doing one of those. God, if the footage and audio lags at all, I apologize. I have no control over that. Attacking me when my back is turned, huh? Well, that's typical. Come here, super coward bros. It's just Mario. Luigi doesn't want to participate.
Mario! When was your last battle? Did you already forget about action commands?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop that. If there was any more if we were playing Paper Jam, I would be screwed. I'm not doing it. I'm not. Fine, one more.
I forgot something! This is really important! You can also dodge Bowser's attacks! Do you want to know how?
No.
Oh, really? I should have known. Sorry for the interruption.
All men know is jump into dodge. Blah. Wait a second! Listen! There's no time for fighting, even though I would have won. Oh, Jesus.
Listen to me, everyone! Something terrible has happened! The goodwill ambassador from our neighbor, the Bean Kingdom, just paid a visit. Yeah, and it was no friendly visit. The ambassador stole Peach's voice!
If that's making my mic peak and all of this is unusable, I'm gonna cry.
And replaced it with this explosive vocabulary.
I want a Mario and Luigi game with voice acting, because I hope that's just actual swearing. Gah! If I kidnap Princess Peach in this state, she'll wreck my castle! Mario, do something super! Like what? What would you do about this? Oh.
Mario, please, go and retrieve Princess Peach's beautiful voice! Only you can do it!
Oh, I lost the, lost it a little bit there. No, this perpetrator came from the Bean Kingdom. If you head over there, you should be able to learn more. Oh, yeah, go capture that fiend and get back Peach's voice. Then I can kidnap her. We'll take my Koopa Cruiser and reach the Bean Kingdom in no time. Mario, we leave immediately. And Green Mario. Don't forget Green Mario. The castle's gone. It's destroyed. No. No. I say no. I'm gonna skip this in editing. I don't want to do any more Toad voice. Get me out of the Mushroom Kingdom as fast as possible. Okay, here we go. No, not here we go. Editing me, don't. Editing me, if you leave this in, I swear to God. Master Mario! Yo, how can I get that fat drip? It would appear I'm just in time. I have prepared a suitcase for you to take on your long journey. I'm quite sure it will prove useful, as it holds many items and outfits. Please, take it. You got a suitcase. How can I get Mario in a Supreme shirt? It says it has many outfits. I want that. I want Mario Supreme shirt. Mario! You're late! What are you doing? We're leaving right now, so get on board and make it snappy. I'll let him do the laughing. Well, so what do you think? Incredible, isn't it? This is my newest weapon, the Koopa Cruiser. Yes, very good. Now all I need are my baddies. Bowser baddies. That's gotta be a porn category. It's just Luigi. Girl, where are they? Huh? What, in green blazes? Hey, you! Are you signing up to join my crew of Bowser baddies? Stop saying Bowser baddies, please. I see, I see. You want me to bring you along with that baddie, huh? Yes, you! Yeah, come along, Luigi. You can sit in the cargo bay. That's rich! Don't be modest, Mr. Green. I mean, you look like a real pain, but I'll take you anyways. He's booking it. Hey, you! Stop! Your nollies! The baddies have just arrived! That's not a good voice for that guy, but I'm doing it anyways. Hey, the assembly area is over here, you blithering idiots! Now, call me crazy, I don't think this is enough soldiers for invading a whole-ass kingdom. Wait! All baddies have assembled. We shall now begin boarding the Koopa Cruiser. Just sneak through there, Luigi. They won't notice. Ha ha ha! Good. Then we can depart. And with an increased head count too. Excellent. Your filthiness, boarding is now complete. Except for one dessert. What? Move it, you idiots! Initiate cruiser pursuit! I think this is technically kidnapping. The skies above Mushroom Kingdom. Not the Mushroom Kingdom, just Mushroom Kingdom. We're about to enter the Bean Kingdom, so you have your passports with you, right? Time for Super Mario illegal immigration. Well, looks like you've got a suitcase there. Tell you what, go ahead and press select to open your suitcase, okay? Well, you got them right here. Yeah, you blithering idiots. These are your passports. They display your healthcare information. But, hey, there aren't any photos. Well, looks like you're fucked. Time to throw you overboard. These won't get you into the Bean Kingdom. No sir, no way, no how. Don't wig out about it though. If we take your pictures here, you should be just fine. Since the Great Bowser has called you to the deck, I'll let you two cut the line. What pose should we do? I don't remember what all the poses are, so I'm just gonna have to press all of them at once and see which one I like. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm a fan of that one. Oh, that's, yeah, well, Stare right into the camera. Don't press any buttons. Yep. Oh, that's kind of funny. Well, Luigi's determined. Luigi knows what he's doing. How do they look? Oh, they turned out beautiful. Truly elegant photos. Alright, now time for the forced tutorial. Everyone's favorite part of video games. No, I do not want to learn how to fight. I do want to fight this Goomba though. And now watch, he's just gonna stroll up and be like, yo, I'm gonna help you anyways. And this is the most annoying part of the game. Even Banjo-Kazooie let you skip the tutorial. I mean, that's not a bash against Banjo-Kazooie, but I'm just saying, good games let you skip tutorials. That dance right there is just it's making me uncomfortable. I don't know what it is, but no, this is weird. You stay at it, Mario. You're looking great. Yay! More tutorial! I sure do love tutorials! They're dead. Now let's see Luigi's dance. Alright, this is how a real Chad dances. Oh yeah, now he's feeling it. Also, aren't the Goombas Bowser's troops? Like, they're smart in other games. They aren't just wild animals, so why are we... What's going on here? This is murder. Murder on our team, in fact. Oh yeah, baby, now we can save the game with our passport photos. Yeah! He's doing the awooga face. Rawr. Rawr XD. What now? Well, now I need a voice for Cackaletta. Oh! Nope, that's just Toad. Who would have thought you'd catch up to the great Cackaletta in even 100 million years? You're the fiend who stole Peach's voice. How dare you pull off such a cool evil plan? How do you know what Cackaletta looks like? And now I'm going straight back to the Bean Bean Kingdom, so my next plan can take root. I have no time to chat with the likes of you. Boffo, take care of this. Hold it! Yeah! I am the great Cackaletta's most best pupil, who is named Boffo. I am here laughing at you! If you are giving us the chase just to get your silly princess's voice, then you are idiots of foolishness! Princess Peach's sweet voice will soon be the bread that makes the sandwich of Cackaletta's desires! And this battle shall be the delicious mustard on that bread! The mustard of your doom! Bowser's dead. Next it is the turn of you! Why not just do exactly what you did about just shoot him out of nowhere? I mean, his attacks aren't even that hard to dodge. Like, it's just text color. If you've gone to kindergarten, you've figured this step out. Now is when I ram you! Uh-oh. This fight is kind of boring. I've just now realized this. Because you don't have any bros attacks or anything to do yet. Yeah, how could Fink Rats like you be such an awful nasty as me? Yeah! Did it just, like, repair itself, or did it just drop it last time? I have fury! Ah! Now is when the talking stops! I do not have time to stop and smell foul roses such as you! Well, fell soup is the way I will deal with you, Fink Rats! Should have just done this from the beginning. General Starshade, meteorites confirmed! Impact in Stardust Fields. Initiate recon. Emergency, emergency! Bean Bean Borderland. We're not quite in Bean Bean Kingdom. but we're kind of at Bean Kingdom. Mario's dead. Imagine he pulled Mario out of the ground. It's just like the Fall Guys. Or not Fall Guys, Among Us. Just half of them. Just dead. Alright, well, we're done with the tutorial, so I think now is a great time to end the episode. I'm gonna try to upload more of these. But I've also got school coming up in like a month, so it's gonna be hard. But I'm gonna try. No consistent upload schedule. But if a new video comes out, good. So yeah, that's the end of the episode, and I'll probably make an episode 2, maybe, I don't know, or I'll disappear for a year and a half again. Who knows? Bye!